Hello friends, welcome to your channel Bro Procrindia Ka. It's something he crave. More than love, more than money, even more than sex. And the craziest part is the one secret obsession hold the key to winning a man love, attention and total devotion for life. But not one woman is thousand even known it exists. And those that do almost never share it with another soul. After 12 years of working with thousands of amazing women as a relationship coach, I have witnessed the secret male obsession to be the key to a man's heart. Because once you understand it, you will be able to make the man of your choice feel a burning desire for you. That's so powerful that you will literally become the most important person in his life, the person he thinks about all day long. And you will also hear the real life stories of women who use this same secret obsession to create the deepest love of their life, all from seemingly hopeless situation, and how you too can create the love you deserve. Because no matter how bad your situation seem right now, even if you worried your man is losing interest after getting intimate with him too soon, even if you are giving up hope that your man will ever commit to you, and if he has been completely ignoring you calls and text, it does not matters, because the moment you flip this secret trigger in a man heart, a trigger so secret that 99% of women and men don't even know it exists, he will feel a surge of desire for you that goes far beyond physically attraction and makes him see you in a whole new night. Without even realizing it, he will start to picture you in his life, and every other woman, past and present, will fade from his mind. Because when you tap into a man's most primal inner desire, you literally become his obsession. And even though he started to feel the deepest love connection of his life, he won't know why. Because this secret files completely under his radar. So by now you are probably wondering what this secret obsession is, right? Well, to put it simply, it's a recently discovered criminal drive that all men are powerfully influenced by without even knowing it. Even man you know agnostics over the primal drive more than anything else, even his sex drive. In fact, this drive is so hardwired into a man's mind that is subconsciously control everything he does. From the time he wakes up to the moment his head hits the pillow at night is something I have come to call the hero instinct. And I now believe it's the biggest secret to becoming a man's deepest passion and priority in life. In fact, it does not matter how in love or infertile a man is. If the woman with does not bring out his hero instinct, he will always feel like something important is missing, and he will eventually seek out a woman who know this secret. On the other hand, when you know how to trigger a man hero instinct, his heart will be yours and your alone, and he will go to the end of the earth to make you happy. How can this is possible? It's because the hero instinct is a biological drive, just like hunger, thirst, and sex. But once this drive is triggered, it becomes more powerful than all three combined, which make it virtually impossible for him to ignore. And in a few minutes you will see how you can use a secret signal I discovered to flip on a man hero instinct without him even noticing. And I should warn you, when you use the secret signal on a man for the first time, get ready, because he will suddenly find everything about you to be more alluring and enticing than any other woman on his radar. But first, the best way for you to understand how you can use the hero instinct is to see how it worked for a real woman. I would like to you meet my friend Rachel. She one of my favorite clients. If you met her, I bet you would be fast friend from the start, because that's how she is with everyone. But for some strange reason, she always has the worst luck in her search for love. One night I got a call just as I was closing up the office to head home. It was Rachel. Rachel. I recognized it right away. The catch in his throat, the hurt in her voice. I rushed to meet her at the Starbucks around the corner from my office. From the running eyeliner and I the red puffy eyes, it was obvious it was really bad this time. She told me about Mike. 3 months ago, she was smitten and in love. They have met her best friend wedding and instantly hit it off. He did everything right. He surprised her with lunch at work. He called it her literally every night and he planned for fun and romantic dates. And Rachel felt like she would have finally found the love she had wanted so badly for so long. That's why until 3 months later when something happened that every woman dreads. Rachel first noticed the sign is Mike Wise. He was suddenly so quiet and distant, and Rachel did not know why or what she had done wrong. Before they are almost inseparable, you could practically feel the spark fly between them. But now the surprise drop in had disappeared. He no longer called at the end of the night. Anytime she texted him, he would respond hour later with short, one word replies. Russell kept calm and played it cool. But after 2 days of gut-wrenched silence, Rachel had reached a boiling point, and even though she never meant to come off as needy, she left 8 missed calls on Mike's cell phone that night and countless texts which she could see he had read but chosen to ignore. She went to sleep crying that night. I was not until the following afternoon that Mike finally responded. She almost let it go to voicemail but changed her mind and picked it up at the last second. Rachel wanted to scream, but before she had a chance, Mike apologized and told her he had a lot on his plate at work. He assured everything was fine and suggested dinner the following night at their favorite restaurant. Then he promised he would call her the next day to nail down a time. If you are interested, please check out my description which given below.